Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your POCO M6. So first, what you guys want to do is check the headphones. So test your headphones with another device to make sure that they're working, and try and inspect the headphone jack right up here for any visible damage or debris. Now, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones after checking the original one. So try another pair. Now, let's just put it right here into the 3.5mm jack port and then test it if basically they are working, and try to rule out any issues with your original headphones. Now after that, what you guys can do is restart the phone. So just hold the power button and the volume up button and swipe down to reboot the device. So also you guys, once the device is enabled. So after the phone restart, what you guys can do is basically clean the headphone jack. So you guys can use a toothpick, you guys can use a small brush to carefully remove any dust or debris that may be inside of it, because it might be the connectivity issue rather than your headphone issue. So now what you guys can do after cleaning the headphone jack is basically, let me quickly enter the pin. We need to check for software updates, because any available software update might fix the issue with our headphones not being detected. So let's go over to the settings, and here let's give it some time to load. Click onto About Phone, it's right up top here. Click on HyperOS right here to check if there's any new updates. As you guys can see, I've got an update available. So for me, it's Xiaomi HyperOS 2 202.0.1.0, and now what you guys can do is click on download update. Then it will download. You guys will not be able to use the phone. I mean, you will be able, but it's not worth it. This update will probably take from 30 minutes to an hour to download completely and then install, depending on your network speed. So I won't do that right now. But here you guys can basically update it by clicking on download update. The rest will do itself automatically. So now moving on to the Bluetooth headphones. If you've got your Bluetooth device and it's not detecting it, what you guys can do is turn the Bluetooth off and on. So let's go over to the settings. Here in those settings, go over to Bluetooth. And first, disable the Bluetooth. As you guys can see, my Bluetooth was disabled already, so I'll just enable it. But disable it, wait a couple of seconds, and then enable it back. Now after that, what you guys can do is forget the headphones and repair them again. Now after that, make sure that your headphones are charged to the full amount of battery so they don't run out of it. Or you may think that they are charged, but they're not, and this might be the reason of your headphones not connecting. Now what you guys can do is avoid Wi-Fi or device interference. So for example, you guys can avoid using other devices that have this same headphones paired, because the headphones might just connect there, and you might be wondering, why aren't they connecting to my phone? Because simply they are connected to another device. So that's why you need to also avoid it. And now what you guys can do as a last resort is factory reset your device. So go to About Phone. Now here, scroll down and click Factory Reset. Here you will basically erase all data. So as you guys can see, contacts, photos and videos, and etc. Also, every single app that you have on your device, every personal file information, you will delete it before backing it up. So you guys can back it up right here. And after you back it up, simply click on Factory Reset, and that would be it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.